Hi everyone, Zach from Out There Vans in Grand Junction, Colorado. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Dometic Go water faucet. This little water faucet right here is going to be a game changer in the industry. For those who want a very simple, non-complex plumbing system within their van but still want running water, let's jump right into this and I'll tell you all about it. Before we get too far into this, I will point out you can find Amazon affiliate links to these products down in the description below of this video. If you do purchase any of the products I'm talking about through those links, we do get a small kickback and really appreciate it. The Dometic Go water faucet, when you purchase it, comes in a small little box like this, pretty simple. Within that box, you will find, for one, your Dometic Go faucet. It does come with a little bit of a charge already, which is great. It comes with a hose, which is attached to the back of your faucet. This hose can then be dropped into a jug of water, or if it is the Dometic Go jug, there is a quick connect already on the end that snaps into the top. More on that in a minute. Additionally, in that box, there are two mounting pucks. These mounting pucks come with a little adhesive patch that you can mount these in various locations, whether that's the countertop of your van or on top of this water jug if you're car camping or want your water outside of your van, don't physically want to sink. And these pucks, like I said, are just a little bit of a metal base, and there is a magnet built into the bottom of the Dometic Go faucet that as you attach it, it sticks to it and has a nice sturdy attachment point to it. All right, let's get into the details on this. This Dometic Go faucet is rechargeable via a micro USB. That is an extremely versatile product to be able to include in your van build, being that there is no hard wiring required to be able to run this. When you do turn it on, there is a small tap button on the top. So one quick tap will turn this faucet on. You'll see the blue light up top as well as the LED illuminated on the bottom. And it's as easy as that to operate this pump. Now this pump pumps approximately 1 liter of water per minute with a charge life of 150 liters. That equates to roughly 39.5 gallons of water. That's a ton of water to run through this little thing. Additionally, if you turn this faucet on and leave it on, it will only run for 1 minute, pumping approximately 1 liter of water before shutting itself off, before you have to tap it and restart the pump. Now, in terms of having water to wash dishes, wash your hands, wet your toothbrush, in a very simple matter, this is a killer option. Previously at Out There Vans, we would be looking at installing a foot pump system where you physically pump your foot as you are doing your task in your sink. But this brings in all of the versatility of water management and really giving you a consistent light stream of water, but all the conveniences of full-blown running water with a water pump, water accumulation tank, etc. So at a relatively low cost of entry compared to those more complex systems, this is really just a set it and forget it option that maybe just once a week, pull this off, plug it in for an hour to charge her up, and then you can grab your magnetic base and plop it back into place. The Dometic Go faucet only currently comes in this black finish, and it retails for $100. And again, there's a link down in the description below where you can find more specs on this faucet. Let's talk about some additional accessories to go with it. This is the Dometic Go water jug. It is designed specifically to pair with a Dometic Go faucet, or you can just use it as a good old-fashioned water jug on its own. This water jug retails for $70, which at first I was blown away by. And I said, what does a $70 water jug get me compared to a $25, $30 Aquatainer in comparison? For one, it's a smaller jug, so you don't have as much capacity. So if capacity is your big thing, I would look at an Aquatainer or something like that. The big thing that this has is a couple features that pair it specifically with this Dometic Go system. For one port is a smaller port. This is the same thread size as a standard Nalgene bottle. So what that means is a pump style filter that was previously designed to fit right over a Nalgene. You can screw right onto the top of this and use a pump filter and filter right from a water source into this so you can carry less water on the go or have less trips into town. Additionally, under this little cap, there is a removable rubber splash guard that comes out. My favorite feature, however, lives on this larger cap. If I unscrew this large cap, it's a huge opening. So that makes cleaning this jug easier than ever. Most jugs only have a small, maybe 1.5 inch opening to them. This thing, I could literally reach my hand all the way in there. It's gonna make it a lot easier to put a bottle brush down there and give this a good cleaning every once in a while. This cap also has some proprietary systems to it. For one, you'll notice this hose that dangles all the way down to the bottom of this jug. So if I do hook up my hose for my Dometic Go faucet, it can siphon the water from the bottom as it is draining. On top of it, there is a quick release little button that this little fitting that I mentioned earlier clicks into for a nice secure watertight attachment. There's a little button to quickly release that. And this other little knob over here is just an air vent. And then with this jug, it also comes with a good old-fashioned just spigot. So if you want to screw this on the front, tip it on its side, and use it as a good old-fashioned water jug without the fancy faucet, you totally can. Now, one of my favorite parts about this water jug is its handles. These have nice, sturdy webbing handles that are Velcroed on, easy to remove, but this makes carrying it around super easy. As I mentioned, this is a much smaller water container. It comes in at 11 liters or 2.9 gallons. That's not a ton of water compared to the 6 or 7 gallon standard within the industry. At first, I was turned off by that. Once I discovered that it's easy to filter more water in here, it made it a lot more useful. And then also, once I filled it up for the first time and physically used it and picked it up, it made me realize how much I appreciate carrying around a little under 3 gallons of water at a time as opposed to 6 or 7. That weighs in on you quite a bit. So this is nice because it's a small compact package, and if you really wanted to carry a lot more water capacity, this is a nice plug and play option, but you could keep a larger water storage solution under the back storage area of your van to be able to pick this out and use it. And as a sneak preview of a little product we will be releasing here soon on shopouttherevans.com is this little adapter puck that you can grab, a collapsible wash basin like this one, which has a little removable drain in the bottom of it. This little puck right here has a magnetic base on it and allows you to clip it onto the edge of one of these wash basins, attach your Dometic Go system, and I'll even plumb it up here so I can show you it in full use here. And I'll plug it into my water jug here and turn on my Dometic Go faucet. And you'll see I'm getting a nice little stream out of here where I could do my dishes, wash my hands and whatnot. Again, both the faucet and the jug are available in links down in the description below. This faucet is going to open up a lot of versatility into minimalist van builds for having running water at a low cost option. We are installing one of these Dometic Go systems integrated into a full van conversion coming out of our shop here at Out There Vans here in the near future. So be sure to hit subscribe so you can be in the loop and see what that system looks like actually in play. Head over to outtherevans.com, which is also linked down in the description below if you are interested in having a full van converted yourself or are looking to take advantage of our installation services here. And then lastly, there's a link down to Shop Out There Vans down below, which will also link you into our online store. And that is where this convenient little mounting puck will be located when it is finally live. And with that being said, thanks for watching today, and we hope to see you next time.